Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be seeing like what is container registry and how we can make use of GitLab's own container registry. So container registry is nothing but a place where we store all our images, which is built out of Docker or any of the other uh, containerized tools. It can be podman cryo or something like that. So you can, like, most of them who are dealing with Docker will be aware of what is called Docker Hub. So Docker Hub does the same thing what this GitLab container registry does. So if you hop into packages and registry, you can find in over something called as a package registry, container registry, infrastructure registry. So we'll be seeing like what is container registry and how you can make use of the container registry to store your images and um, yeah, images. And in the coming video we'll also see how you can derive a vulnerability report or a container scanning. So container scanning can be one of the steps in your pipeline, so that you will be able to see what all the vulnerabilities which has been induced into from that particular container image, or what are from where all, yeah, the containers vulnerability is increasing. So you can add a stage as such. So in the your build, deploy, uh, testing, in that you can also add this one of the stage which is called as a container scanning. So now if you go into this container registry, so you'll get a fresh screen if you have not used any time. So this is the basic thing where even while we register with a Docker Hub also will do. Just you need to log in once, and you need to build, and you need to push. So we'll see how you can do this entire operation via a pipeline. So if you go to duplicate this, and we'll start. So there's one more way how you can edit your pipeline. So just go to editor. So as of now there are many of these stages, so we don't want. So as we've seen in our previous video, you can just you can prepend with that dot, so entire stage will be commented out. So just stage one. So now you can add this remaining, you can remove this, just add create. So in real time you will be given like, see, GitLab CI configuration job should contain at least one visible job. So this is the real time, it will keep on checking. So this is like a better way of building a pipeline over here. So just now you can container registry, and you can give stage as stage one, the same stage which you have mentioned over here. So in the stage one you can create the same, you can give the same stage name. So once after that, so you can copy some of the steps from above. So you can use this image variable services, and where you have to run. So Docker is the free, this thing which have been provided for us from GitLab, a runner. So this, okay. So now I guess this is fine. So now we'll, in our script we'll see. So now what we'll do is, we have one Docker file which is present over here. So nothing special, we'll just build this Docker build -t uh, test. It's in home directory. we'll do dot, and now what we'll do is docker tag test with. So we can take help of the commands which have been provided in container registry. So either you can use this same command at first place in place of test only, or you can tag this with that particular name. Or next step will be you have to into the uh, container. So you can use this registry the endpoint, but you have to provide your username and password. So my username will be, and my password is coming from secret, so you can pass that. So after that, just you need to do is docker push. So as of now I'm not using any tags, so you can make use of tags either. So just build tag login and push. So we'll see whether our pipeline is right, pipeline syntax is correct. So just commit. So we'll see our pipeline. So it takes a couple of minutes. So you can see our pipeline started. First step, it built the Docker file. So once after that, it tagged and it got logged in into the particular registry, GitLab's own registry, and it pushed into the image into the particular registry. Which this registry will be particularly specific for this repository. So you can see if you have other repository, your name, like your username, and the next part will be your the repository name. So now you can see it has been pushed successfully and job succeeded. So how you can confirm is just go into the packages manager and container registry. So what you can do over here is, so you can see our entire new image which has been built and it has been pushed successfully. Thank you.